Welcome to the YouTube Automation Tutorial and Masterclass 2024-25. This master course is a complete step-by-step YouTube automation tutorial as well as a masterclass. In today's digital age, where people have instant access to multiple social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Twitter or X, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, the competition for attention is fierce. Does the phrase, "content is king," sound familiar? Well, to stand out on YouTube today requires more than just great content. One of the many mistakes that individuals who start a new YouTube channel make is to rely solely on content to drive results and views. While uploading high-quality content is essential, it's equally crucial to choose the right niche and also to understand YouTube's algorithm. Therefore, in order to be successful on YouTube today is all about a combination of the right strategy, effective branding, consistency, use of automation, leveraging specific AI tools, as well as production of compelling visual and audio content. These days, it's about working smarter, not harder. They'll show you how you can make a YouTube channel without ever even having to show your face or even using your own voice. It is important to remember that YouTube and its content creator economy is huge. The market size of the YouTube's creator economy today exceeds $104 billion, surpassing the economies of many countries in the world. The potential and scope of YouTube, along with its creator economy, is enormous and continuously growing as more and more people come online worldwide. It would be highly unwise to overlook such a significant opportunity. While it's natural to consume information from social media, which is something we all do, the real money lies in content creation. And the best way to tap into this potential is by creating your own YouTube channel focused on a specific niche. In this tutorial and master course, I will share everything that I have learned and acquired throughout my own journey. This is the only course that presents content in a systematic, step-by-step manner that is suitable even for beginners with no prior experience. We'll start with the basics and gradually progress to more advanced topics as you move through the course. I will take you along the entire process and show you what needs to be done, how to do it, the optimal timing for each step, where to focus your efforts, and the underlying logic behind the process in order to ensure that you are on the right direction for YouTube success. YouTube automation mistakes can be costly, especially for newcomers to YouTube. Those mistakes often result in loss of time, money, as well as a diversion of focus due to wasted efforts. Ultimately, all these errors and mistakes combined leads to individuals abandoning their YouTube channel. However, by tapping into my knowledge and experience, through this course, you will save your time, money, and efforts. By drawing from my own experiences, successes, as well as setbacks, I'll provide you with a clear, well-defined route, a wealth of invaluable insights, tested and proven strategies, show you the benefits of leveraging different AI tools, share practical tips to accelerate your YouTube journey, and also avoid common errors and mistakes. In this YouTube Masterclass, we will cover a wide range of topics to ensure that you gain a comprehensive understanding of the knowledge and skills needed for YouTube success. We've broken down the course into separate chapters to make it easier to understand. We've structured the course systematically and in sequence to ensure a smooth learning experience. Each chapter builds upon the previous one, providing a logical and practical progression. This will help you understand the entire process of YouTube automation step by step, from setting up your channel to scaling it for success. Let me share with you some of the key topics we'll be covering in this master course. Why should you start a YouTube channel? We will share key insights and facts about YouTube. YouTube today is the second most widely used social media platform in the world. YouTube is also the second most visited website in the world after Google. Did you know that YouTube is available in more than 80 different languages and is localized in more than 100 countries? We will then discuss what is a faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channels are quite common. And often, we don't even realize that a channel is faceless because we're so used to watching those channels and their style of content. We will then discuss why make a faceless YouTube channel. We will go over the numerous advantages of a faceless channel as compared to a regular YouTube channel. For instance, with a faceless channel, you can easily scale without the need for expensive audio-visual equipment. Additionally, you have the flexibility to convert your content into multiple lengths. Remember, creating a faceless YouTube channel is just the first step in the YouTube automation process. YouTube automation involves outsourcing the entire process, which includes the script writing, voice-over recording, video creation and editing, and the thumbnail picture creation process. Don't worry, we will go into each of these steps in great detail. We'll also explore how YouTube automation incorporates the use of artificial intelligence, AI software for a variety of tasks, including generating voiceovers, creating images and videos, and even writing scripts. We will show you how outsourcing and the utilization of AI software is precisely what makes YouTube automation highly scalable. We will go into great detail about all the four elements, that is, the script, voiceover, video, and thumbnail picture, which are required for making any YouTube channel. These four elements are essential regardless of whether you have a faceless or a regular channel. There are some fundamental terminologies and concepts that you need to understand if you are to succeed in YouTube. We will cover topics such as click-through rate, average view duration, and watch time and how they affect your channel's metrics. Next, we will cover what makes a video go viral on YouTube. The correlation between various YouTube metrics such as click-through rate, average view duration, and watch time. We will also discuss how the number of subscribers affect whether the video will go viral or not. How content creators make money, unlocking YouTube earnings. In this chapter, we focus on 10 different ways to make money from your channel. We also discuss why it is important not to just rely on Google AdSense alone for revenue generation. In this chapter called Strategies and Frameworks for Content Creation, we discuss the 3 different strategies or approaches for creating content on YouTube. Regardless of the niche you choose, there are 3 different ways to create content on YouTube. We will explain the difference between YouTube search automation, traditional YouTube automation, and YouTube automation shorts. We will show you how each of these 3 frameworks work with practical live examples. Then we will focus on YouTube search automation in greater detail. We will show the importance of how-to videos, which typically all fall under the category of YouTube search automation videos. Niche selection. In this chapter, we focus on what exactly is a niche with regards to a YouTube channel. We will discuss the importance of selecting the right niche and how it will affect your channel. There are many important factors to consider before selecting and finalizing your niche. We will share key considerations for niche selection, such as self-interest, evergreen niches, high CPM niches versus low CPM niches, etc. The more of these factors your niche meets, the higher the probability of your success. After finalizing your niche, it would be really great if we could estimate the income of a YouTube channel that is already creating content in your selected niche. This would provide further insight into the niche's popularity and, more importantly, its profitability. So we will share with you tools through which you can get a good estimation of the profitability of the channel. After selecting your niche, one of the most common questions YouTube content creators ask is, how do we find content to create once we've finalized our niche? Choosing a niche is relatively easy, but generating content and deciding on specific topics can be more challenging. We are going to share with you 14 proven strategies for topic selection and content idea generation. Once you have generated ideas for topic selection/content, we have to start writing the script. If your script is poor, all your efforts are going down the drain. The video and everything else are built on the script. We will share with you different strategies to write, polish, and refine your script. The second key element of any YouTube video is the voiceover. A voiceover provides context, an explanation, or commentary to complement the on-screen visuals. We will share various methods for creating voiceovers, and don't worry, you don't have to use your own voice. There are other methods. We will introduce you to text-to-speech AI software that generates realistic, human-sounding voices. The third element of any YouTube video is the video itself. We will cover both video production and video editing. We will show you how to source copyright-free images and videos from different sources for your channel, a task that many new YouTubers find challenging. It is very important to source stock footage from the right sources in order to avoid copyright strikes and channel suspension. We will also cover the use of AI software and websites in generating both images and videos. We will share several video editing softwares with you. Additionally, we will create a video in front of you, demonstrating how to combine all the elements into the final video. This includes how to add background music, effects, sound effects, and combine it with the voiceover. The goal is to create a seamless and captivating experience that keeps viewers' interest from start to finish. Creating visually compelling videos is key to attracting and retaining viewers on YouTube. A well-edited video can significantly boost average view duration and overall watch time, both of which are crucial metrics monitored by YouTube. The fourth and final element for creating a YouTube video is the thumbnail picture. One of the most common mistakes people make is that after spending hours creating and editing a great video and coming up with an excellent title, they think that the job is done. They then spend just 10 minutes on a substandard, boring thumbnail that no one wants to click on. Doing this can quickly bring an end to your YouTube journey, as viewers won't even bother to click on your video. You need to put serious thought into creating a compelling thumbnail. The better the thumbnail, the higher the click-through rate. When you have a great video paired with an eye-catching thumbnail, it will lead to higher average view duration and overall watch time. It is very important to understand this concept. As far as YouTube is concerned, the first impression is not the last impression, it is the only impression. We will share practical tips as well as technical aspects to keep in mind with you regarding thumbnail creation, as well as websites and software that make great thumbnails. Then we will create a new YouTube channel and show you how to do it. Once you have created a new YouTube channel, we will discuss the significance of a YouTube channel logo, banner, and watermark. Many YouTube creators tend to overlook this step, but establishing a strong visual brand identity is essential. With thousands of channels out there, a well-designed logo, banner, and watermark are vital for building your brand, projecting professionalism, and protecting your content. These elements not only enhance your channel's visual appeal, but also help you stand out and grow your audience more effectively. After this, we will show you how to verify your YouTube channel. It has become mandatory to get your YouTube account verified if you want to fully utilize all the features and options offered by YouTube. Moreover, you cannot monetize your channel without verification. One of the factors that is taken into consideration by YouTube's algorithm is the video title. Additionally, the title, along with the thumbnail, is one of the first things viewers notice on YouTube. So it is really important to craft an effective title for the video that we will upload. We will discuss this in detail in this chapter. Finally, we will upload our first video on our channel and show you how it's done. We will go through all the different options while uploading a video, such as description, thumbnail picture, playlist options, age restrictions, tags, language options, etc. Since this is a masterclass, we are going to share some tips with you on how to craft the perfect script. The video and everything else in YouTube is built on the script. Just like a high-quality movie in the cinema, it can feature top-rated actors, but if the script is poor, no one will want to watch it. We will also discuss various types of hooks, such as a surprising fact, bold statement, or a question, used at the beginning of a YouTube video to capture the audience's attention and encourage them to continue watching. We will be also sharing pro tips for boosting video visibility and SEO through our video descriptions. Remember, video descriptions on YouTube are essential for SEO and play a key role in getting your content discovered by the right audience. By incorporating relevant keywords in your video description, your videos become more searchable and accessible to viewers using YouTube's search function. We will discuss the placement of both short-tail and long-tail keywords in the video description to boost SEO. We will cover the use of hashtags, affiliate links, and timestamps in the description. Although their importance has diminished in recent years, we will then cover video tags and how they impact the visibility of your video. We will show you how to generate video tags through different websites and applications. Then we will go over YouTube monetization and how to actually monetize your channel. To qualify for YouTube monetization through the YouTube Partner Program, creators need to meet certain requirements. We will share what are the key milestones and requirements are that you need to fulfill. We will then cover a chapter about understanding the YouTube algorithm, a guide to growing your channel. The YouTube algorithm is a sophisticated computational model that is designed to maximize user engagement on the YouTube platform by showing them videos they are most likely to watch and enjoy. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is crucial because it directly influences how your videos are discovered, recommended, and viewed on the platform. By understanding how the algorithm works, you can optimize your content to boost its visibility and engagement, ultimately leading to greater success for your channel. Just like a website needs to be SEO-friendly, a YouTube video also requires SEO optimization. Although we will discuss YouTube SEO strategies throughout various chapters in this course, we will also summarize it at the end in Mastering YouTube SEO. We are also going to be sharing some bonus tips about how to effectively manage freelancers for your YouTube automation workflow. Managing freelancers, especially those working remotely from outside the US, is crucial for successful YouTube automation. Effective management of a freelancer team effectively ensures consistent, high-quality content production, scalability, and ensures long-term success in your YouTube automation efforts. We will share practical tips to increase the efficiency of freelancers working on your YouTube automation, no matter where they are geographically located. Finally, in our last chapter, we focus on best practices and important tips for YouTube automation success. We'll cover essential tips, tricks, and strategies, along with common mistakes to avoid, all aimed at helping you succeed on YouTube. This section is designed to equip you with the knowledge and insights to accelerate your growth and avoid costly errors. We will also discuss the importance of uploading videos on a schedule and why to avoid irregular uploads. We also address the importance of not overusing AI, as excessive reliance can make your videos appear generic and diminish the human touch that engages viewers. Balancing AI with your unique perspective is crucial for creating authentic and compelling content. We also discuss the importance of avoiding changing your niche after starting your channel. Changing your niche abruptly can confuse both your audience and the YouTube algorithm, potentially harming your channel's performance. We also discuss the use of YouTube Shorts to drive traffic to your main content, grow your subscriber base, and increase overall channel growth. This YouTube Master Course comprises of a total of 35 videos, making it easy for you to go through them. As you can see, this tutorial and master course follows a logical progression, starting with fundamental concepts and then advancing to more complex topics in the end. We've broken down the course into separate chapters to make it easier to understand and structured the course systematically to ensure a smooth learning experience. Remember, you should pause and repeat a chapter if needed, once or even twice or more, allowing yourself to learn at your own pace. Feel free to revisit any sections as many times as necessary before moving on to the next chapter. You will not grasp the contents of this course in one go. No one is born with the skills we need. We all learn and grow as we progress through life. It is important for you to watch all the videos in sequence in order to ensure that you don't overlook any steps in the process. Many individuals do not benefit from courses like this as they tend to skip certain videos due to the preconceived notion that they already are aware of the subject matter. Do not skip any of the videos if you want to truly benefit from this course. Lastly, this is important. Don't forget to take notes, so keep your iPad, iPhone, or notebook nearby. This is the most comprehensive YouTube Master Course made so far in which we cover everything. My ultimate goal here is to ensure that by the end of this course, you will have acquired a comprehensive skill set and an expertise in the AI tools necessary to make well-informed decisions on your own, ultimately leading to the sustainable growth and monetization of your YouTube channel. This YouTube Masterclass is an opportunity to change your life for the better. While we all have the potential to achieve our goals, however, we all still need guidance along the way, a well-defined roadmap and clarity of the objectives that we intend to achieve. No one has ever made it big on their own. We all need a little help, timely advice, a mentor to succeed in life. Enrolling in this YouTube Master Course is your first step toward success.